nature. An endless cycle in which we live, breathe and exist. An invisible network and perfect balance where trees hold on to the ground with their roots, rivers flow from the mountains to the sea, and every living thing dances with each other. A miracle of existence to which we owe our lives. But today, this wonderful balance is under threat. Forests are silently disappearing, our water resources are rapidly depleting, and the climate rhythm is accelerating. This fragility caused by human hands asks us the question, what will we leave behind? But hope still flourishes. Just as a seed reaches from soil to light, we too can chart a new path. The blades of wind turbines dance with the wind, solar panels embrace the light with passion. Hands that nourish the soil with non-toxic agriculture, hearts that protect endangered species. This is the poetry of sustainability. This is the picture of hope. Sustainability is not a choice, it is an obligation. The debt of one generation to another. What nature gave us, we must give it back to him. Because when we sit under the shade of a tree, we actually meet our roots. Today is the time to take a step. Producing instead of consuming, repairing instead of destroying, sharing instead of selfishness. Because this world does not belong only to us. Future leaves are hidden in buds that have not yet opened. And each of us is a drop of water that nourishes those buds.